Hello, and welcome to another Rutland Library instructional video. Today we'll be looking at the database Bloom's Literary Reference Online. Bloom's Literary Reference Online contains extensive entries on literary topics, themes, movements, and genres, and almost 170 video segments to help students investigate literary criticism. This resource contains more than 20,000 critical essays from over 500 literary journals and 2,300 scholarly and critical books, including 700 titles published by Bloom's Literary Criticism and Facts on File. Also included in the database are more than 13,000 biographies, 45,000 character entries, 5,000 synopses of literary works, and hundreds of images and videos. First of all, let's show you how to access this database and all databases supplied to you by Rutland Library at Three Rivers College. First, go to the main Three Rivers College webpage at www.trcc.edu. When the page appears, located near the top of the page, and click on ARC/Library. This will take you directly to the library page. As you scroll down, look on the left-hand side of the page. To access our databases, click on Search for Articles. What will appear is an alphabetical list of all of our databases. We currently have over 50 databases. To locate the Bloom's Literature Reference Online, either click on the B on the alphabetical listing on top, or scroll down, click on this to enter. When you click to enter for the first time, it will ask you to log in. All Three Rivers College faculty, staff, and students can log in by using their TRC email login. I have already logged in earlier to save us some time. What you see before you now is the main page for the Facts on File Bloom's Literature database. The search box is located near the top of the page. You can do whatever type of search you want: an author, a genre, a title, a character. If you need to use a dictionary, it is located just above the search box. You can also go to the advanced search, and you have other options. Down below, these items will change month to month. For this month, the featured author is Harper Lee, and that's because she recently passed away. Featured work for the month is The Telltale Heart, and they have featured video. And as I say, these things will change from month to month. Down below, it talks about the Bloom's Literary Canon, and there's much more to read than what you see on the page. You can click on Read More to see more information. Also, about the collection, tells you all the things about what they have in this collection, all the sources, and it's just a wonderful collection of materials for you. Also, if you don't want to use the search box, you can click on Authors, Works, Characters, Videos, and you can also click on More to see timelines, movements, themes, Bloom's Canon, and then other things you can do. Let's do a search in the search box. Let's type in Mark Twain. It is not case sensitive, so you do not have to capitalize the names. I just do so out of habit. Let's do our search. When I click on Mark Twain, first of all, it brings up all the results. There's 1,801 results. It starts out with the author's name, of course, and his date of birth and death. This is a biography, and I can click on it to open it up and see everything. Now, if I want to see just certain materials, not just all results, I can click here to see all the different biographies on Mark Twain. Instead of looking at over 1,800 items, I have less than 200 to look at. I can look at overviews and synopsis of his work. I can go here to analysis and criticism of his work, topic and themes, and images and videos. Very, very useful. If I want to look at a specific work of an author, I can click on Works, and I can find this by title. I can find it by author. I can also find it by genre. It gives you a very, very large category of genres to look at. I can always limit it also by dates. Also, if you want to search literary characters, whether it be Tom Thumb or Tom Sawyer or anyone else you can think of for literature, Alice in Wonderland, whoever it might be, let's just do Tom Sawyer and see what comes up. Now, when you type in the box, simply click on what you want to look at, click once, and don't do anything else. What comes up now are all the entries for Tom Sawyer. Tells you if it's a criticism, how to write an essay about, an overview or synopsis, a teacher resource, and then once again, it comes up by default, all results. Again, I can click and just see the biographies about this character, and then overview and synopsis, just like we did earlier with our other search. Also, if you type in videos, you can see what's available. First of all, it shows you all the videos by title. The first one is The Adventures of Don Quixote, and it talks about the playwright and author. This is from 1933. It's 55 minutes long, and it's a film adaptation. It tells you if it's a drama, a musical, or whatever it might be. Let's go back home. So once again, you see that in the Bloom's literature database, you can do a basic keyword search, again, by an author's name, by a certain work, by a genre, by many, many ways. You can also go and just search by authors, by works, by characters, by videos. Also, if you go to the advanced search, let's show you that. When you click on advanced search, it gives you many more options. You can search with all the words, with at least one of the words, the exact phrase, or without certain words in it. You can tell it that you want biographies, overviews, or whatever you might want, or everything. And then down below, it gives you search tips to help you use the advanced search to your best ability. So here's some really, really good information about how to search using the advanced search. Very, very helpful. Let's click back home. So once again, Bloom's has so much information at your fingertips. Once again, over 20,000 critical essays from over 500 literary journals, 2,300 scholarly and critical books, including 700 titles published by Bloom's Literary Criticism and Facts on File, and much, much more like we talked about earlier. Now let's go back to the main library webpage for just a minute. If you need help using this database or any other database or any other resources that Rutland Library supplies to all faculty, staff, and students, look on the main library webpage where it says Myrtle Rutland Library. It tells you that you can call us at the number listed right here. You can also send us a text message at the number listed right here, or you can email us at library@trcc.edu. You're also more than welcome to stop by the library. We'll be glad to sit down and walk you step by step through this database or any other database. We will help you with any of your library needs. The library staff is always available, friendly, and willing to help. Thank you for your time, and Rutland Library hopes that this database and other resources will help you with your college research.